love. Have you subscribed to RIRAH Creates YouTube channel?
Wow, I've not done that, but she's doing amazing things there.
Hey, you have to quickly subscribe, my love. Do it immediately. If you're watching this and you've not subscribed, click the subscribe button now.
Every morning starts slow, but school no go wait me, so I get up quick. I rush through my tiny morning routine because lecture time they always run like thief.
Amber, campus they always busy, but somehow the energy they ginger me every single day.
Lectures fit tire person, but as a Nigerian student, you got push. No be small thing.
At the end, I just remind myself, one day all this hustle go pay.
So in this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to create that long video using Grok. And I will advise you to stay to the end of this video because I'm going to share a hack that many of you do not know. So you go to your browser and then search for Grok Imagine. On your mobile device, you can just download the Grok app so you'll be able to access this. So once you come to Grok Imagine, this is exactly how the interface should look like. First of all, I had created my image. I created my image using Grok AI, and then I created my prompts using ChatGPT. I told ChatGPT I wanted to create a day in my life video. I asked it to give me the actions. I asked it to give me the settings and every other necessary information that would make it fit for a day in my life kind of video. So first thing I'm going to do is come to Grok Imagine. And then when you are on Grok, you have these options of either creating an image or a video. We are creating the video. You can set your aspect ratio to however you please. I'm going to use 3:2. Then click here to attach your image. So you can just upload the file and then I'll click on open. So we're going to have that image load here. Next thing I'm going to do is come here and then I'm going to copy the scene. Now I emphasize that my video generator does only 6 seconds and that's why you're seeing 6 seconds here. So I'm just going to copy this. To customize your video, you paste this. So I'm going to add she says in a, I'm going to copy that just for reference purposes. Then click on enter. The one thing I like about Grok AI is it's really fast. Then the next thing is scene 2. For scene 2, I'm just going to copy the action and let me just edit it here before I create the next one. So for the voice, I'm just going to put in brackets and paste that instruction I used earlier. That's what she's going to see and how she's going to see it. I'm going to paste it here. She says in a Nigerian female tone. Then hope you understand what I just did. Then let's go to Grok and let's play our video.
Every morning starts slow, but school no go wait me, so I get up quick.
Okay.
Only got that slow, but school no go wait me, so I get up quick.
So I'm going to pause this and ensure you drag this till the last frame. That's what you're supposed to do when you're making use of your desktop. But if you're making use of your phone, take a screenshot of the last frame. And then, so for us to get what we are looking for, we are going to right click. And then you see this copy video frame. Select copy video frame copied. And we need to download this one now. So that's already downloaded. And what we are going to do now is go back to Imagine. This is Imagine. We are going to come back to Imagine. And then we are going to paste that video frame we copied. You understand, right? It's already loading. And I am going to come to ChatGPT and then copy the second scene, which I edited earlier. You understand what I'm doing, right? So this is it. So you just click on your prompts. You just paste your prompts and click on enter. So that's exactly how you're going to do this. So for the third scene, I'm just going to copy scene 3. I'm going to paste it here. And for the voice, I'm going to paste the voice tone. Then click on A. Then I'm going to just copy this and come back to Grok. Now see?
Through my tiny morning routine because lecture time they always run like thief.
But AI is quite funny. She didn't take her bath. That's because I just gave the next scene as she's quickly dressing up for school. for no qualms. So I'm just going to drag this here. I will drag this here, and then I would copy the video frame. Note I said you can screenshot if you are making use of your phone. Then come back to Imagine, paste your video frame. Then it's going to take you directly to this interface. Then you paste the scene. You understand? So click on Enter. So I'm just going to do that for the remaining scenes. And yeah.
Yeah, Amber. Campus, they always busy, but somehow the energy they ginger me every single day.
Okay, we have this already. And I'm just going to go to the last frame. Click on Copy Video Frame. Come back to, then paste again. And then add my fourth prompt. So this, click on Enter. Okay, while that is working, I'm just going to come copy the last scene. So this is it. Okay, so this is it.
Lectures fit tire person, but as a Nigerian student, you got push. No be small thing.
Okay, so I'm just going to take you to the last frame. And yes, this is the last frame. I'm going to copy video frame. Then I'm going to come back to Imagine and then paste the frame. Then paste my prompt from earlier. That's the last prompt. This is it. Click on Enter. So that's exactly how it's done. Notes for your video generations. Once you click on this favorites, you would see all your generated videos. So Grok has generated the last scene. Let's see what it gave us.
At the end, I just remind myself and you'll go smile well.
What kind of magic just happened here? Okay, I'm going to create this scene again and see if I can have something different. At the end, I just remind myself, one day all this hustle go pay. Let me reduce the prompts. So I'm going to copy this. Note you can find all your generations here. This was the last scene before that.
Lectures fit tire person, but as a Nigerian student, you got push.
Okay.
Lectures fit tire person.
The reason why we had a different face was because, let's see what happened. It was not showing her face. It was just showing her hand. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to copy this frame so I can have this face of hers. So I'm going to copy the video frame, then come back to Imagine, paste the frame here, and then paste my prompts. You understand? So click on Enter. So this is just how you can generate all of this. So this is the final thing.
My flag with this tea. At the end, I just remind myself, one day all this hustle go pay.
So I'm just going to download this and then I'll do the rest with my video editor. So this is exactly how you can create longer videos using Grok AI. And I said I was going to share a hack at the end of the. So most times, when you upload an image to Grok, it just automatically begins to generate the video, right? Even without giving it any prompts. And sometimes you do not want it that way. All you have to do is go and click on this, your profile icon, click on setting, and then it's going to take you here. Click on behavior. Then you see this part where they say enable automatic video generation. You are going to turn it off. You can see mine is off. That's why I'm not getting that automatic video generation. The mobile device, search for automatically generate videos for uploaded images. Then you turn it off. That's exactly how you can stop Grok from automatically creating videos from the images that you upload. I'm sure this video was very helpful to you. Click on the like button, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, and until my next video, keep prompting, keep creating, and keep dominating.